Adding formulas in Looker Studio allows you to create calculated fields and custom metrics based on your data. Here's how to add the formula. Open Looker Studio, log in, visit datastudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Open a report. Select an existing report or create a new one where you want to add the formula. Add the calculated field. Select data source. Click on the Resource tab and select Manage Edit Data Sources. Choose the data source where you want to add the calculated field. Edit data source. Click Edit next to the data source name to open the data source configuration. Create a new field. Click Add the field to create a new calculated field. Enter a field name for your formula. In the formula box, enter your formula using Looker Studio's functions and operators. Apply and use the formula. Save the field. Click Save to add the calculated field to your data source. Use in report. Drag and drop the new calculated field into your charts, tables, or other visualizations.